Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahrukh and in this video I am going to tell you how to start speaking in English language. Well, if you are a beginner and you don't know how to start to speak English, let me help you. My name is Mohammad Shahrukh and I am going to help you to speak English fluently. Well, you can start by saying any kind of simple sentences. For example, as you can see behind me, there is a tree. So you can call this is a tree. This is a tree. Well, it's a simple sentence. Okay. You already know that. So why I'm saying this? If I say this every day, one by one, that this is a tree, it means that you are starting as a beginner to speak English fluently. Now you can make so many sentences by using this trick. For example, behind me you can see there is a bike, so you can say this is a bike. Simple. Now you can learn to speak English. Okay, now you can speak English. Actually, this is a bike. Now I can say this is a tree of dates, khajur ka ped, and a lot of things that you can explain by speaking in English language. Okay, for example, if I have to say that is a sky, this is a sky. So simple. You can speak anything. Okay. Let's just suppose that I have to introduce myself. Okay. So it's a simple sentence that you can say, you can start by telling your name. For example, I tell you my name. My name is Mohammad Shahrukh. My name is Mohammad Shahrukh. Now, if you are watching me right now and let's just suppose that your name is Raja. So you can say, my name is Raja as a beginner. Now, next time you see somebody or you meet somebody, you can say, hello, my name is Raja. Why you say things? Because you are trying to speak English. Okay. And this is the one of the basic tricks to start speaking English as a beginner. Okay. Now you can see there's a lot of things that you can explain here. So for example, if I say that this is the ground, this is the ground. Okay, this is the ground. Now let's just say that that is a road, a way. That is a way, or you can say that is a road. Okay. Now, as I told you before that my name is Mohammad Shahrukh, and next thing you can say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Okay. So if I tell you, if I already told you about this sentence that this is a bike or this is a tree, so you can use this trick to make any kind of multiple sentences. How is that? For example, I said this is a bike. Okay. Now, if you see a boy, a girl, a man, a woman, a house, a department, road, market, okay, food, meal, anything else. If you see anything else, you can say this is that. Okay, this is department, this is a boy, this is a girl, this is a man, this is a woman, this is my sister, this is my brother, this is my husband, this is my wife, and this is my house, this is my room, this is my book, and this is my any what I'm trying to tell you is using only one sentence you can make multiple sentences. If you are really interested in speaking English language, this is a game changer. This could be a game changer for you. Okay. Are you understanding what I'm saying to you? Well, if you understand everything what I tell you, give me the comment. Okay. So this was one of the tricks that I shared with you in this video, and in the next video I will tell you something more about to start English as a beginner. Until then, keep watching my videos, visit my channel where I have uploaded so many videos, where I have shared so many tenses like present indefinite, present continuous, or present perfect. You already know that. If you want to learn those sentences, go to my channel, visit my channel and learn that. So if you like the video, you know what to do, and I will see you in a new video next time with a new topic. Thank you.